Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the keeper cursor so you can directly pick the goalkeeper with a button press. This reduces confusion during shots. First, open Controls and turn on the keeper cursor option, or bind it to a convenient key or stick. Once done, check that your controller or keyboard mapping doesn't conflict with other commands, and save settings. You're now ready to test in a quick match to see how the cursor appears over your keeper. In play, press the assigned key to lock the keeper cursor and immediately take visual control of the goalkeeper. This lets you anticipate shots. Move the cursor to the near post, far post, or center depending on the attacker's angle. Then use manual dive, jump, or catch inputs to commit. Make sure to release the cursor if you want AI to resume or when counter-attacking. This hybrid control balances reflex saves and positioning. Practice to finish a sequence, release the keeper cursor so the AI regains control or to switch back to outfield play. This prevents being caught out of position. If the cursor becomes unresponsive, rebind the key, check controller connections, and restart the game to clear input glitches. If movement feels twitchy, adjust cursor sensitivity or controller dead zone in settings for smoother aiming. One troubleshooting tip. When saves fail, toggle the feature off and on again, and test in a low-pressure practice drill before your next match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.